Welcome back, friends. In previous video you have seen the explanation of double-ended queue. In this video we are going to see the execution of double-ended queue using our online GDB compiler. So let's begin. Also, I will provide this code in the description below and also the link for onlinegdb.com. So don't forget to check the description. Now let's try executing the different operations on our queue. So just insert from the rear end. I want to insert 1. Okay, so our front and rear both are set to 0 according to our function. After that queue elements are 1. Okay, so we'll just insert again from the rear end, insert 7. Okay, so 7 is added. Let's try inserting from the front end. Okay, so it will insert our data before 1. Let's try it out. Insert 8. Okay, so 8 is inserted. Okay, so let's try to insert again 9. Let's try to insert from front end now. 4. Again insert 3. Again insert 6. Again insert 9. So now it has given us the message of queue overflow. Okay, perfect. Let's try deleting from the rear end now. 9 gets deleted. Again try 7. Okay, perfect. Now let's delete from the front end. 6 got deleted. Again delete. 3 got now. Again 4. Again 8. Again. Now queue is empty. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks a lot.